JangWon SM has been a concrete win-win partner of Korean shipbuilding industries, providing them with various innovative engineering activities. What is VOC? It means Volatile Organic Compounds. The emission of VOC is harmful to environment and the loss of money. In most cases, VOC is inevitably generated, but the amount of emission can be reduced. Hereby, we JangWon SM Company Limited introduce DSME VOC Reduction System. We have developed this system together with DSME for 5 years, on the basis of its patent grant contract. It is known that vacuum condition is made in the upper parts of cargo drop lines, due to insufficient back pressure during the cargo loading operation on conventional oil tankers. And the vacuum condition forms a huge amount of VOC bubbles, majority of which are condensed by hydrostatic pressure, but the rest still remain in bubble type in cargo tanks, and ultimately vent to atmosphere all through loading and transportation periods. Hence, we came to believe the elimination of the vacuum condition could be a key solution to restrain VOC generation. The vacuum can be eliminated by installing flow control devices at the bottom of drop lines. However, significant amount of VOC is still generated in the most of flow control devices when cargo passes through the devices. With the reason, we have developed a special VOC suppression device, called anti-cavitation valve. The anti-cavitation valves are installed at the bottom of drop line. The principle of system is suppression of VOC generation by controlling anti-cavitation valves. To maintain the cargo liquid pressure higher than the vapor pressure of the loaded cargoes throughout the drop lines of vessels. Differently from usual valves, the anti-cavitation valves are particularly designed so as to secure required flow rate and at same time prevent the occurrence of cavitation while cargo is flowing through themselves. It is an active equipment preventing the emission of gases harmful to crews and environment, which IMO has already started to regulate. We had installed a demo system on an ocean-going vessel and carried out loading tests at the terminals located in Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, and Iraq. Typically commercialized systems has been installed on 4 VLCC and 1 product carrier ordered by KOTC to DSME and tested at Kuwait terminal. Through the actual terminal operations, we have confirmed that the system can be easily used by vessel staffs and does not affect total cargo loading time. So far, several onboard tests have verified that the system can reduce VOC generation during loading period nearly up to 85%, depending on cargo temperature, cargo property, and loading rate. As environment is becoming more important consideration, the ships equipped with the VOC reduction system would have priority preference in chartering with high environment standards and by preserving precious cargo intact. This system can be applied for crude oil carriers, product carriers, shuttle tankers, and FPSO with its short payback periods, wherever the similar drop loading lines exist for volatile liquid cargoes, regardless of newly built, existing, repaired, and retrofitted vessels. Thank for your paying attention on DSME VOC reduction system. If you have any questions and concerns, please do not hesitate to contact us.